have not gotten ready for the day yet, so I'm gonna do that later. I figure whatever, you guys can see me in my, it's not morning, it's actually lunchtime. I just haven't gotten ready. Hi, baby. He had a healthy breakfast, so I'm gonna give him some marshmallows with it. Not the healthiest lunch, but it's quick, easy, and he likes it, so that's all that matters. Oh, Julia is out working today, so it's just us, huh? I went to the store and got myself some pretty roses the other day. They look so beautiful. I love them.
We clean my bedroom. I said that door and yeah.
Okay, we'll do that next. As you can tell, I added pink sheets to our bedroom, and then I also changed out some of the artwork. I've gotten really into feng shui over the past year, and one of the things is not having like sad pictures, and you're supposed to just have like 2 pairs of everything in your bedroom to signify like love and just like all that stuff. So I changed these out for some pretty vintage like sapphic artwork. I kept this one because this is a mommy and a baby, or a mama and a baby, whatever. And then 2 little doves. I thought that was cute. Anyway, I added pink in here, and I think it really tied everything together. I put little like pink ribbon, and I feel like it's looking pretty cute, so I'm happy with it.
My Robin.
Hi, Sky.
She wants to get 10 toes.
Okay. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just going to throw on a little bit of makeup just so that I feel a little bit better today. I had the flu go around our house. Well, it didn't go around our house. Harbor was the only one that got it, but he was so sick. And then the cold went through our house, and it's also officially spring here, almost gonna be summer. It's been pretty warm, which has been really nice. It's like gonna be like 71 today, which is perfect weather for me. Grass is finally looking really good. Last year, I know I told you guys that Julia killed the grass, and she's been working on getting the grass like super good this year, and it looks amazing. It's like night and day. I'm gonna finish this up and I'll catch you when I'm done. I figured I would give you a little bit of a mental health update since I did start Lexapro, and I've been on my journey to healing. It's actually been the best thing that I have ever done for myself. Therapy has been really helping me get through. Like you guys know, I talk about therapy all the time. I just feel like therapy is a good thing because it helps literally anybody. It doesn't matter what you've gone through. I feel like therapy can literally be beneficial for anybody. No, you guys, if this sounds familiar at all, you guys are probably right there on the same page with me. You are not alone. So many people struggle with social anxiety and just so many different types of anxiety, depression. It's so crazy because even in a time right now where like mental health isn't something that like we're scared to talk about anymore, 37% of Gen Z still believes that talking about mental health or getting help for your mental health is considered weak, which is crazy. In honor of Mental Health Awareness Month, BetterHelp is sponsoring today's video, which I'm so excited about. You guys know that I love BetterHelp. Let's work together to stop this stigma about talking about your mental health, okay? Therapists will listen, answer questions, give you new perspectives. And I love that BetterHelp is on a mission to make therapy easy and accessible to anybody. If you think that you can benefit from any of this, definitely check out the link in the description, and you can get matched with a licensed therapist in as little as a couple days. And you will get 10% off your first month. All you have to do is click the link in the description, which is betterhelp.com/AJ. That is better, H-E-L-P. You will get 10% off your first month. It'll get cold, and if it does, I'll reheat it. One room is done. Maybe out of breath, but it's done. Anyway, I feel so worn out after just like cleaning the front room. What did I do? I cleaned the front room. I tidied up. Is that all I did? I need to throw the laundry in the washer. My laundry basket is full and I really need to do that. Anyway, I do enjoy it. I love like taking care of the house. I feel like I have really learned, speaking of mental health, it's really been helping my mental health to like have more of a system in place, because I feel like for so long, Julia and I didn't really have like a system that really worked for us. Like we kind of just every day just kind of was taking it by storm, as we like to say. But like seriously, like having more of a system in place. Yeah, sweetie? Having more of a system in place. Like I've been doing more of the cooking and the cleaning, and I love it. I love taking care of the house. I feel like that's what I enjoy doing. So it's actually been really helpful for me to feel more fulfilled, if that makes sense. Harbor really wants me to tell you that he has a Roomba Shroomba.
The Roomba Shroomba game.
A Roomba Shroomba game, which I think is a Robo-Rock vacuum game, right? And you suck up all the dirt. Is that what you're talking about? Do you want to show them?
Yeah.
Okay, go get your iPad. Really wants to show you this game.
These are some candies.
Okay. It's actually kind of satisfying game. He's actually done really well. And he has beaten levels and gotten different, what are these called? Robot vacuums, right? Roombas. Since I've been doing more of that, I've been wanting to film more of that because I feel like that's what I've been enjoying doing. And that's like kind of how I started this like channel and stuff, is just like showing my day-to-day life. And as much as I do love other types of videos that aren't just like my life, I do enjoy just picking up the camera and just like, whoa, sharing what my day-to-day is like. So you guys will have to let me know if you like content like that, that's more just like mom style, my life type of things, because that's really what I've been doing. And I have been enjoying it so much because I feel like I just lost so much of that part of myself that like, I'm such a simple queen, you know what I mean? Like I want to do the dishes and cook a nice meal for my family and just do that. Like that's what I have been enjoying. So I'm glad to be back and doing that. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go grab the laundry and put that in the washer. Hopefully there's not something in the washer. I can't remember if there is or not. I'm gonna do that. And then I do need to clean the kitchen. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, I hate having a house where the laundry is in the basement. It is the worst thing in the world. And I cannot wait till I don't have to do this. Oh.
It's our dad's nuts.
Huh?
Our dad's nuts.
Yeah.
Ah.
How you doing, Nat?
Good.
Goodness gracious. I'm back. Did you help yourself?
Yeah.
All right. You're wondering what the state of the kitchen looks like. It looks like this. So this is the next thing that we're gonna tackle, but we're not gonna show you. We're gonna do a snap transition. Ready, set, go.